So yes, the Maverick emphatically agrees that the team that finishes at the top of the regular season standings should be rewarded. And look, we all understand the imperfections of having the playoffs and the spectacle and the excitement of the semifinals and the grand finale, which might end up with a team finishing 20 points behind the leaders, being eventually crowned champions. But we're still calling it a football league, and the very fabric principle of a league is rewarding consistent performance over time. So we have to strike a balance between having the fanfare and rewarding the best team for the season. And in that regard, for this season, Arnott Gardens should be presented with a regular season trophy and at least half of the total prize money. Whatever happens in the playoffs will happen. One of the first place to sixth place finishers will win the playoff round and be crowned the Premier League champions. But please, let us pay some more respect to the consistency of the team that finished at the top. The top. Yes. Up top. Yeah, we're up top.